Sunday and it's 7:20 in the morning. So, dapat sana guys, kagabi pa kami umalis dito. Kaya lang, gabi na. Tapos yung anak ng asawa ko, meron silang prom. So, sabi ng asawa ko, magstay muna kami dito. Kasi nga, baka kasi alam nila na wala kami dito. Tapos, alam niyo yun, parang ano lang yung gagawin nila dito sa bahay. Kaya inantay na lang namin na umuwi talaga sila ng mga kaibigan niya. Then, ngayon yung alis namin papuntang lake. Doon kami magsimba guys. Then, meron sana akong pasok tomorrow. Kaya lang, maikli lang siya. Kaya sabi ng asawa ko, wag na lang daw. Kasi the next day wala din akong pasok. Sayang lang din kasi meron kaming gagawin doon. Ayan guys, alis na kami maya-maya. Nag-toothbrush na lang yung asawa ko. Nagsisirmon. Hi guys! Andito na kami ngayon sa lake house. Nakarating kami mga 10 minutes ago. Then, yung church pala mag-start pa ng 10:45. So, ginawan ko muna si Habi ng coffee. Then, after nyan, punta kami ng church. Malapit lang naman dito yung church, mga 5 minutes. Bawasan ko muna to guys, ang dami kasi lagyan natin ng fresh milk. Ayan guys, punta na kami ng church. Aga namin dumating dito. Bali, supposedly, diretso na sana kami sa church. Kaya lang, yung start ng service is 10:45. So, umuwi muna kami dito sa bahay. Dinrap muna namin yung door para sa kwarto, guys. Then, yeah, diretso na kami ng church, guys. Buti na lang medyo tumila yung ulan. And bukas guys, maganda yung weather tomorrow. So makapag-ikot tayo sa lake. Mag-boating tayo tomorrow. Ayan guys, yung aming church. You almost passed it, baby. So dito kami guys, pumupunta ng church. Ito yung aming home church dito sa lake house. Ayan, malaki yung church nila dito guys. Kalalabas lang namin guys ng church. So, paglabas namin, ang ganda dito kasi pag lumalabas kami ng church, yung pastor, nag-greet talaga sila sa mga members sa church. Then, tapos in-introduce din ng pastor yung asawa ko sa isang captain na nagtatrabaho sa Delta din. Parang iihi na to. You feel
what are you saying?
No, I'm just talking to them about like it's very nice here when we go to this church because every time we finish the Sunday service, the pastor, really greet the members. That's the very nice thing, So you will know your pastor and then the pastor will know the members as well. So right now, guys, we will go to Waffle House for our lunch.
The awful waffle.
Yeah. And then you know what? Every time we have our lunch, my husband and I, we share because every time I eat, I'm not really eating a lot here in US, guys. Except if I'm eating rice. So I'd rather to have share because if I will order it with my own food and then I cannot finish it. So we're just sharing to each other. I just like get a small amount and then I'll get a waffle, something like that. So like we can also pay less for it. And then the reason why too is I cannot finish my own food. So yeah, that's it. And after that, we will go to Goodwill. So yan guys yung pinaka-favorite ko. Mag-ukay-ukay na naman tayo guys. So dito sa lake, dito sa lake house namin, every time na pumupunta kami dito guys, pumupunta talaga kami dun sa Goodwill na malapit sa Lake Oconee kasi ang gaganda talaga dun ng mga damit nila. Makapaghanap ka talaga ng magandang damit dun guys kasi mostly yung mga nakatira dun sa Lake Oconee is mga mayayaman. So, ayan guys, see you later! Dun, 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 dun. Hello guys, andito naman tayo sa ukay-ukay. Ayan, may napili na ako guys. Ito siya. Divided na brand. Cute. Dito na kami guys sa Home Depot. We're looking for something
Electrical
something.
box.
Electrical
Something.
box. Something something.
Video down here.
Oh wow! Oh my gosh! That's a lot of bird baby.
Yeah.
We should put a bird nest here, my love.
I know.
Oh, I feel so sad about the babies.
Yeah.
I think we will buy a bird nest at Goodwill.
Okay. Why don't you get that bird's nest that's already in the on the shelf in there?
Okay.
Please get it.
All right.
Go and get it for me.
Okay. Ayan guys, may nakita kami na na pispis. Ano siya, newborn pa lang siya. Yung pispis yung ibon pala. Oh my gosh. Sobrang lamig pa naman dito guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Oh, parang nilalamig. Oh, you're so cute.
This is not a really good birdhouse for this. Do you have
Just
another birdhouse around?
temporarily, I think.
Do you have another birdhouse around?
No. Alright, my love.
You get the rest of these. Is there a stool, baby?
Yeah, just wait. I'll get one.
Okay.
Oh, that's so cute. Baby, you're doing a right thing. Wow, my love. Look, we have a bird here.
And the birds.
Oh, look at Shallow.
Shallow! How did she get out?
Because it's open. The door is open.
Where?
Oh, yeah, right here. Look. The door here is open, so
Oh.
it can come out.
Okay. Come here, girl. We had a bird nest up here and it fell. So we put them in a box here so the mother hopefully will recognize where the nest is gone. So we'll leave her alone. But also, we got another crisis. You know this?
What is it?
Come here. The geese put a nest inside of our pontoon boat.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah. You want to go down there and take a look?
Yeah,
Okay,
yeah.
let's go.
Ayan guys, punta kami dun sa pontoon boat kasi yung geese dun, napugaran na nila guys yung yung pontoon boat namin. Kailangan namin dito bukas. Oh, that's why they're guarding it, my love.
That's why.
Hey, Shallow, stay here, girl.
Get out.
Stay. No. Hey, no.
Hey.
Hey, no. No, girl.
As we get near, they're gonna get really upset.
Are they gonna attack us?
Probably not.
Ayan guys, kasi gagamitin namin yung pontoon boat. Parang ilagay lang namin siya sa safe area. Oh, hey, come on girl. How did she escape? Come on. Go back inside. Go back inside. How did you figure it out? Come on. Stay there. Hey, you know how to open it. Okay, my love.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Let's take a look. So we'll don't disturb them anymore. There they are. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Wow, ayan guys.
So they set their nest originally right here.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Is there a baby there?
No, let me show you. I moved them over here.
Oh my gosh!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 eggs. Now look at this.
Wow, it's about
this?
to hatch, yeah.
Look. It's got
Oh
the-
my gosh! Wow, ayan guys yung isa, oh. Nilipat namin dito. Nilipat ng asawa ko dito, guys. So, nilagyan ng carpet. Oh! You
Yeah.
can open it?
Well, you don't. It's not recommended.
I know, but we will just let her,
Yeah.
Mom. Wow, my love. That's really, oh my God, that's amazing.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh. Ayan guys, yung mga geese, parang nagpapanik sila kasi pinuntahan namin. Bali, dun nila nilagay yung, yung nest, tapos nilipat ng asawa ko dun. Ayan siya guys. Wow. My love, could you imagine that? Like, we have birds there, and they're like, this is
It's
so,
spring. They're all the little animals are
it's amazing.
are.
Yeah, and I want to clean or mow the grass tomorrow.
Good.
Yeah. Baby, this is so nice. Oh my gosh. Grabe guys. Na-miss talaga ako kasi meron kami doon yung yung ibon, yung newborn na ibon. Tapos ngayon na naman guys. Yeah, we'll just let that one there because she already know how to open it. Hey girl, you know how to open the door now, huh? Come on.
There we go.
There you go. Yay. Oh, see? She's now sending a message. Look.
They're sending a message to the rest of them going,
Oh my God.
they're here, they're here. The eggs are on the dock.
I think that's a mom and then a dad right there. Like, oh my gosh, that's amazing. Look at that. Oh my gosh, that's very interesting. Wow. Oh,
You go check out your eggs.
yeah.
They're all
It's
there.
okay, it's
They're
okay.
all there.
Oh, the one that's trying to get into. Oh, that's cute. Come on. You're fine. Ayan guys, kauwi lang namin galing sa restaurant. Nag-order pala kami ng nag-take out lang kami guys para sa aming dinner for tonight. So, papakainin ko muna yung aming doggy. Saan ba yung ano ko dito? Yung tripod. Saglit lang guys ha, para hindi ako mahirapan sa pag-vlog. Hindi ko siya guys mahanap, mamaya na lang. So, pakainin ko muna yung dalawa ngayon guys. Alam nyo, nag-upload ako ng video sa YouTube. Tapos sinasabihan ako na dapat daw dalawa yung bowl ng aso namin. So guys, yan pakita ko sa inyo. Yung aso namin, meron silang dalawang bowl. Ano lang talaga, mabait lang talaga yan si Shelo kasi pag nakita niya na nauna si Chelsea, nag-aantay talaga siya na matapos si Chelsea kumain. Especially pag yung bowl nila magkatabi. So this time, i-separate ko para makakain sila sabay. Oh, Chelsea, this is yours, baby. This is for Shelo. Good girl. Come on, Shelo. Eat now. Alright, girl. Yeah, you eat now, baby. Eat now. Eat now. Eat now, mama. Good girl. Ayan, guys. So, kita nyo, dalawa na sila. Meron silang dalawang bowl. Minsan kasi yung mga tao, binabash nila ako sa YouTube. Sabi daw nila, kawawa daw kasi nag-aantay daw yung isa. So, ngayon, sorry girl. So, ngayon, dahil napansin ko na yan pala pag magkatabi yung bowl nila. Yan, separate ko na guys ha, para walang, walang magreklamo. You eat now, girl, you eat. Come on. Here's your water. Alright. Hey, no fighting, please. Shelo, come here, Shelo. Come here, eat here. Eat here, girl. Come on, eat here. Minsan, guys, si Chelsea, ayaw niya. Kaya minsan si Shelo, nag-antay na lang siya hanggat matapos si Chelsea.
When I came on Monday, I go up the ramp, there's a big sign on the wall, says speed
Kain
limit
tayo.
5 miles an hour, and then in big red letters it says strictly enforced. 5.
My husband is eating
I
his
like to
steak.
drive around the corner, see a cop stand there.
So, eto pala guys yung tinake out namin. Chicken with broccoli, beef with broccoli and carrots, then yung chicken lo mein, tsaka fried rice. Then, meron kaming dessert na mango. Tapos yung eto naman guys, ano to guys, gamot sa tiyan ko. Kasi meron akong stomach upset. So my husband bought this for me. He's so sweet. Thank you, Baba.
Oh, you're welcome, honey.
And then my husband had steak for
Ribeye.
tonight, a ribeye.
I'm in heaven.
Yeah, he's craving. He's craving for
Craving
something.
meat.
Yeah.
And grilled veggies, zucchini and bell pepper,
Yes.
marinated in olive oil and garlic.
Yes, it's
Fresh
really
garlic.
good.
And a champagne of beers.
Yeah. Yeah, that's our dinner for tonight, guys. Let's
And
eat.
mango for dessert.
Yes.
Yes.
Bon appetit.
Bon appetit. Bon appetit.
Bon appetit.